Hi, I'm Casey Birmingham with Foundations Decor, and today we're going to show you some brand new product from Foundations Decor. So let's take a look. We have here our beautiful welcome signs. I'm going to show you our March Shamrock. With these welcome signs, there's 18 different attachments. Now, what do I mean by attachments? This is what I mean. Let's say you decorated for March. My goodness. What is that? March is over. It's April, it's May, it's June, July, it's October. Now we decorate for Halloween. That easy. Just like that. You can find all 18 attachments at Scrapbook.com. Ooh, look at this beautiful Christmas one. Believe. Now the way this is working is this welcome sign comes with all the pieces you see here, right here, that I'm holding. The attachments work by coming with two little magnets, and they magnetize right to your board. To learn more about that, make sure you check them out on Scrapbook.com to see what you think. Today, we're also showing off our 3 brand new shadow box kits. Shadow box kits we've had, and many of you know exactly what they are. But again, it's a magnetic concept so that you don't have to reinvent the wheel every time you're crafting. We got tons of requests. We want to see baby stuff. We want to see school stuff. I want to see nautical, beach stuff. And so we listened. We hear those requests and we say, yeah, there is a market for that. People do want to see those kits. So we came out. This is a baby one. Again, the concept of this is you have a magnetic shadow box. So instead of replacing the shadow box and having boxes of storage, you just have these small pieces that you store in between seasons and themes like baby. I told you we got a lot of requests for like beach, nautical type things. Everybody's been to a beach and vacationed there and they want stuff to represent that. And so that's what this one is. Sail the Seas, it says on the title card. Again, these are magnetic and be pulled apart. You can also go to Scrapbook.com to find these wood blanks that we've got the magnet on here. You can just buy them as a blank piece because let's say, yeah, Sail the Seas. I've got great beach pictures. I want a beautiful picture of my family right there in the middle. Well, you could leave this piece off or this piece or whichever you want, and you could just attach a family photo in there and pop it right in, and there it is. Now you've got a family photo right in the middle of your board. That's Sail the Seas. Our last one in our very popular shadow box kits is I Heart School, and this one turned out the best in my opinion because I just love the icons. I never loved school growing up, and now all of a sudden I love school products. So go figure, right? See, school was good for something. This beautiful shadow box kit. Again, magnetic. If you want to take a picture of your child on the first day of school and take that one out and add the photo, you just would stick it to the block, leave the crayons off, and presto, there it is. And again, you can find all the supplies to make these awesome kits look just like this at Scrapbook.com. By finding our tools, our paper files, the little extra buttons that come on here. Those are sold there as well. And then endless amounts of paper to make your project look as cool as you want it. So that's a new product release from Foundations Decor, and we're happy you let us share it with you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.